Tuesday is the determinant. As we have said, an institution called Parliament gets its mandate from the people, but the people retain the residual power. The executive, the judiciary, everybody, every state officer gets mandate from the people. The people will meet at Kamukunji grounds and they will roar back at Parliament and at the executive. We want to thank you.
Last one. My name is Luca Wich from the Star. Yeah. Is going to court part of your strategy? Are you considering taking legal redress over this matter?
Tuesday is the day you get to know what we do. Thank you so much.